Good morning, my name is George. I'm head trader for Forex.com and this video is for Cartel Club. Let's go. Okay guys, as usual we are going to discuss about S&P 500, the futures on S&P 500, US 500. So last week I gave you their zone around 64,000, 65,000 actually, but the price went above that. What we do have right now, let's see. So I had actually two levels. First was 64. This was 64.32, and this actually worked. We had a seller from there, we had a price action from there. Yeah, this was a good level. And the second one was here, this zone, and the price went above that zone. So what to expect right now? Right now we do have two levels. Here is first level is 64.64. No, 64.64. Yeah, this is a test of this buyer here. We had the buyer here with this bar had a good spread with volume, with good result. So we tested it, it was tested, and right now if sellers will continue to sell, well, buyer will try to actually pull the price up from this level. So first level is 64.64. When the price will come to this level, I'm expecting some kind of price action from here. And we'll see how the buyers will react from this level. And the second level is actually, we got here paranormal bar, this one, but it is very close to this level. As this was a support and we broke this support, it became our resistance. So what I'm expecting here is getting up thrust. This means get up to this paranormal bar, the price going up to this paranormal bar, to this level, then retest this resistance here and then continue selling. What I'm expecting from here, so we got two levels on S&P 500. First is if you want to long, I don't mean like going long as swing trade. This is a day trading levels. Everything I'm telling you, this is a day trading levels. So 64.64, and the second one is from this level 66.95. We come to this level. I'm expecting the retest of this resistance 67.16, and then continue selling from this level. Okay, let's go to gold. Gold daily time frame. Yeah, we had a resistance here. We actually went a little bit above that level, but overall the situation is that we don't have a great momentum on the gold to continue, like to go all the way up for a longs. So what I'm expecting here is price to come up to this level as the same here as on S&P 500. Let's get rid of this level. S&P 500, this was a great support here. We broke the support. We retested it here. Let's see. We retested the support. Now the resistance, the support that became resistance, we tested it and continue selling. And if we will come to this level, this will be a great resistance. I'm considering to short from here, but I must see the weakness of the buyer, and then I can continue selling of gold, shorting the gold. Where until where we can short? Well, we can short until this trading range around here, so around 45.56. This will be around, if we short it from here, decent 5%, 5.7%. So heads up on that one. Let's come to silver. Well, guys, silver, I gave you the resistance here, the zone. Actually, it worked perfectly. We came to this resistance. Actually, I shorted, I took some shorts here last week from this level. It was a day trading level, so I took some shorts. What I'm expecting right now, well, this level is already, we already retested it. So right now, this is a great level here. As on the gold, this is a support, came in, broke out, we retested it, pivot, broke out, retest, broke down, and right now we can come up to retest this resistance. And as on the gold, I must see the weakness of the buyer and then short their silver. Yeah, short the silver. Where we can which level we can short? Well, on the silver, silver is more weaker than a gold, and liquidity is more scarce here. Well, we can come down up to this level here. If we short here, this is a decent 10%. Yeah, 10 to 11%. So the level to short here is 69.35. 79.35. Let's go to WTI oil. Well, I told you on oil, if we squeeze, last week if we squeeze under this level, then we can have a decent breakout and we can have a decent long from here. So yeah, well, that's actually what happened. We broke, we squeezed under this level. We actually, the bar closed above this level. And I took the longs here, so some small longs, day trade. And right now we had a weak seller, and then buyers stepped in, and we got a great bar with a great spread volume and with a great progress. So right now, well, we do have a sellers. What we can expect? Where I can expect to retest this breakout here, either this breakout, and then we'll see the weakness of the seller here and continue buying, or we can go up to here. This will be a 1/2 of this bar, and we can try, the buyers can try to resume the buying from this level. So we got two levels here. First is 107.77. This is on WTI. And the second level, if the buyers couldn't hold this level, well, second is 101.18. Okay, let's go to the Bitcoin. Well, guys, we do have a bear flag here. We broke above this trend line. We retested it. We tried to hold this trend line. We tried to close above this trend line, but we broke again. And right now we are trying to close above this. We closed above this and trying to hold this trend line. Try to go along from here. But well, this doesn't look good. What I can expect, either first level is here, expect a short from this zone of resistance, 69, around 70,000. Yeah, around 70,000, this zone. And the second level is, if we couldn't hold this, well, let's move. Second level is 73,000, around this level. So I got two zones where I can start to short the Bitcoin, because yeah, it doesn't look good. Because yes, some people are making the judgment that we're inside this green bar, but The problem is this is not the engulfing bar, and because if this was engulfing bar, we should engulf this seller. So this bar should have closed like that, and then I could say that yeah, this is an engulfing bar of this seller, but also we got the good sellers here in this zone. See how the price react when we came to this zone? Well, like this. From this zone, we had the price action from here, so sellers stepped in. Yeah, we can say that sellers never never made the new lows, but as this is a classic bearish flag. Classic bearish flag. How the bearish flags work? See how we came down, we chopped in like that, and then broke down and go lower. So this is a classic bearish flag formation. So right now, if we even like rewrite this like that, the trend line, rework it like this, see, we're still in the bearish pattern. Okay, guys, have a great week. And if you have any questions, please leave below in comments, and I will try to answer all of them during the weekdays. So have a great week and take care. Bye.